Hey royalties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair review on some hair that I recently purchased from OMG Queen Hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So as I mentioned in the intro, this hair is from OMG Queen Hair. I have reviewed hair from this company before, but I reviewed their kinky straight texture. This texture right here is their Yaki straight texture, and I got it in 14 inches. The hair density I got it in was 180. So this is how it looks. But actually when I got it, the hair wasn't this thick. I actually had to add tracks to the hair. So if you are looking for a fuller look, I would advise you to get maybe a higher density. Not sure if the hair does come in a higher density than 180, but just be advised that when I did get it, it wasn't as thick as I liked, so I did have to add tracks to it. As far as the hairline goes, the hairline was pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it a little bit more just so that it can look more natural. So this is how it looks. And honestly, this is like one of the best hairlines that I've had. Like, I feel like the lace just melts into my skin, so I really like it. Next up is shipping. Shipping was really fast. Like, I ordered this hair on a Tuesday and it came by that Friday. So I don't know if it's always like that, if that's like their standard shipping process, but it came really quick for me. So as far as the affordability of this hair was very affordable, which is why I got it. It came, everything together came to, let me see, $135, no actually $137.75, but I did have a discount. I think I found like a discount code from someone's video. So with that discount code, it came to $123.97. So that's just a word of advice. If you're ever looking for some hair, try and like Google or like YouTube to see if anyone has like discount codes in their videos. So that's what I did, and the price came to $123.97, which to me is affordable as hell. When it comes to the hair holding a curl, it does hold a curl, but it does not hold a tight curl. This is how the hair has looked like with me curling it. I have used a flat iron to curl the hair, as well as curl formers, and this is how the hair always turns out. So if you're looking for hair that, you know, actually holds like a tighter curl, I don't think this hair would be it for you. I haven't tried to see how it is with flexi rods, so I'll try that and see if it helps, you know, with the tighter curl, but so far this is how the curls have been on the hair. Now when it comes to the hair taking color, as you can see, it does take color pretty well. I did bleach the hair and then use a Door brown color. I think it was in the color mahogany, and I just added that on top after I bleached it, and this is the result. It's just this nice brownish chestnut color. So yeah, it took it pretty well. I really like how it came out, so we're A1 with the color. As far as shedding and tangling, the hair does shed, and I don't know if it is because I bleached the hair, but it does shed, but it's not excessive, so don't worry about that. And then as far as tangling goes, I haven't really noticed much tangling. I mean, sometimes I do get tangling in the back, but it's not like crazy. So yeah, the hair does shed and tangle, but it's not excessive. Lastly would be longevity. To me, I feel like this hair is going to last me a long time, like even more than a year. I feel like it's going to last me. So I mean, the hair to me is quality. You can't really go wrong with the price and the texture of the hair. You know, it's been pretty good so far. I mean, I have been wearing this hair for about a month now, and I really haven't had any major issues. So hopefully it does last me a pretty long time. So guys, that is it for this hair review. Again, this is the 360 wig from OMG Queen in the texture Yaki straight. So if you're interested in purchasing this hair, I'll definitely give you guys the go ahead. I mean, for me, I feel like you can't really go wrong. It's affordable, the hair's quality, and the shipping was fast. So if you're already thinking about getting this hair, go ahead and get it. But yeah, if there's anything I forgot to mention in this video, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll definitely reply. Remember to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll speak with you guys in my next video. Bye.